HTML is a markup language used to create web pages. It is an acronym for Hypertext Markup Language and describes the structure of web pages. The building blocks of HTML are elements. These tell browsers how to format or display texts. In the following example, H1 and P are elements for heading and paragraph respectively. HTML elements. An HTML element is defined by a start tag, content, and an end tag. Tag name arbitrary content / tag name. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. Some HTML elements do not have content, for example, the BR element. These elements are called empty elements and do not have end tags. Web browsers. There are various browsers from different vendors, such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari. Their function is to read HTML documents and display them to users. The HTML elements instruct them how to best display contents. The following shows the content of an HTML file rendered in a Firefox browser. Thank you for watching. Talk to you soon.